Hello, welcome to Simply Learn Programming. I am Kapil. In previous video tutorial, we learned to create and run our first Android app. Now, in this tutorial, we will learn basic overview of Android app. So let's create Android project. Keep application name as it is. Click on next. Click on next. Now, here if we select basic activity, then it will create two design layout files. And if we select empty activity, then it will create only one design layout file. So for simplicity, we select empty activity, click on next. So our layout file name is activity_main, click on finish. Our app is created. Now we will see basic overview of this app and also Android Studio. Here first is menu bar. Under this menu bar, second is toolbar. In toolbar, most commonly needed options for Android project like save project, refresh project, run the app, then this is AVD manager, SDK manager. So these are some important options in toolbar. You can customize this toolbar by right click on it and click on customize menu and toolbar. Now next is path of the file which is currently working. Now on the left side, this is project overview window. Many options present here. Some important options are project. It will show all directories present in this project. Next is packages. It will show packages which are used in this project. Next option is Android. It will show important directories and files which are used in this project. So always keep this option selected, Android. Now next is palette. Under palette, designing tools are present, layout design tools, widgets, text fields, containers, date and time, experts and custom design tools. So these are all design tools. This is main layout activity. Suppose to add any design tool on this layout file, simply drag and drop this design tool. This is plain text view. Now to change this design tool properties like color, text size and other many more properties, for that simply click on this widget Then here the properties of this text view widget comes. So now if we set the text of this text view, this is the text property. I will type here simply learn programming. Okay, so text is displayed here in text view. Now we will increase some size of this text. For that, use text size property. I will set here 24 dp. dp means density pixels. Okay, so size of the text is increased. Now ID property is also important. We set the ID for the text view, that is text. So this ID property is not displayed here. It is only give unique value to the widget. We also change background of this text view. So many properties here. To change the color of this text view, property is text color. Click here and then select color which you want. Click on OK. Now see the forecolor of this text simply learn programming is changed. Now every Android activity have two files. One is layout file. This is layout file. And second is coding file. This is coding file, main activity. Now this every layout file have also two views. First view is design view and second view is text view. So in text view, we added this text view and this is by default hello world text view. So this is XML source code and which is automatically added when I add this plain text view in layout file, then it will show in text view. So this layout file is XML file and this coding file is .java file. Now this layout file is present in, this is main folder, root folder app, then res folder. In layout, all layout files present here under layout folder. So our by default layout file is activity_main.xml. Simply double click on it, then it will open. Now our coding file is also present in app folder. Then click on Java folder. Then click on this com.simplylearnprogramming.myapplication, this first folder, and here is our main activity coding file. So double click on it, then it will open. Now in this file, we write the Java code or code of the app. Here main activity is the class and which is inherited from app compact activity class, some inbuilt method that is protected void on create, method name is on create. So we write the code. If we add more activities in this project, so simply select this com.simplylearnprogramming.myapplication, right click, new activity, and again here select empty activity, click on empty activity, activity name, layout name, this is layout file, this is coding file, click on finish. So here it is, our second activity is added in this project. This is coding file main2 activity.java and design file, layout file, that is activity underscore main2.xml. You can rename this file also. Now another important file is AndroidMainfest.xml file, and which is present in again app folder. In Mainfest folder, here is this file AndroidMainfest.xml. Double click on it. So all activities present in this file, and each activity is represented by activity tag. So this is activity tag for first activity, by default activity. This activity tag represents second activity. Now this is another important intent filter tag. So this intent filter is used to set the launcher activity, means which activity will run first. If our project have more than one activity, then using this intent filter tag, we set the activity we want to run first. By default, this intent filter tag is set for this by default main activity. So now when I run this project, this main activity will run first, and if we want to run this activity, it means main2 activity, then we need to cut this intent filter and place here inside this activity tag. Now our second activity, newly created activity, will run first. So now this is the launcher activity. So that's it for this tutorial. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.